Can you describe the concept of distribution in data science and illustrate it with two distinct examples? In data science, a distribution represents how values of a variable are spread or distributed across a range. It is a fundamental concept used to derive insights about the nature of the data and to inform further statistical analysis. For example, the normal distribution, characterized by its bell-shaped curve, is often observed in phenomena like test scores or heights of individuals in a population. Another example is the exponential distribution, which is commonly used to model the time between events in a Poisson process, such as the time between arrivals of buses at a station. What is the statistical problem-solving process? Please explain the steps involved. The statistical problem-solving process typically involves several key steps. Problem identification, define the problem or question that needs to be addressed, data collection, gather the necessary data through experiments, surveys, or data retrieval, data cleaning, process the data to correct errors and handle missing values, data analysis, use statistical methods to analyze the data, such as calculating means, medians, variances, or applying more complex modeling techniques, interpretation of results, draw conclusions from the data analysis, interpreting what the findings mean in the context of the original problem, presentation of findings, communicate the results and recommendations to stakeholders in an understandable format. How are distributions generally classified in statistics? Provide examples to elucidate each category. Distributions in statistics are broadly classified into two categories: discrete distributions. These deal with outcomes that are distinct and separate, countable. For example, the Poisson distribution models the number of times an event happens in a fixed interval of time or space, such as the number of emails received in a day. Continuous distributions, these deal with outcomes that occur over a continuous range. For example, the normal distribution models variables like height or blood pressure, where the outcomes are not discrete but can take any value within a range. How are statistical investigative questions developed? Please detail the process involved. Developing statistical investigative questions involves understanding the context, gain a thorough understanding of the subject matter and the specific context in which the question will be applied, identifying objectives, clearly define what you are trying to achieve with the investigation, formulating the question, craft questions that are clear, focused, and measurable. The questions should aim to uncover relationships, compare groups, or predict outcomes based on the data, refining the question, review the question to ensure it is answerable with available data and statistical tools, adjusting as necessary to align with practical constraints and data limitations. Can you list 5 scenarios where a uniform distribution is typically observed? Uniform distribution is observed in scenarios where every outcome in a range is equally likely. Examples include rolling a fair 6-sided die, where each face, 1 through 6, has an equal probability of appearing, drawing a card at random from a well-shuffled deck where each card has an equal chance of being selected, randomly selecting a person's birthday, assuming it is equally likely to fall on any day of the year, operating a perfectly random traffic light where each light phase, red, green, yellow, lasts exactly the same time. Distributing a fixed number of equal prizes in a large lottery where each entry has an equal chance of winning.